So for cleaning, instead of milk, you have water in this part, and then your normal water in the back. Pause. To clean out the filter now, there's a notch on the filter, which once you align it with the notch on the container, it can separate. But once it's out of line, it won't separate. So you can now rinse them separately. Then to put it back, align, and then separate. So now, okay, now to clean it, you can just use the cappuccino function just with water inside, and that should clean out the system completely.
But I thought you said
Which is sure. So this is what the water is like after running through the system. Yeah, it's dirty.
you call it that.
It's coffee.
It's not really that.
And there's a filter, there's a collector under here
Wow.
for water and other stuff that come out from it.
Okay.
You have to rinse it or pour it out. And then just to get it cleaner, you run that process again.
Oh, I wanted you to use this one, so I'll see how it works.
Okay. So we're going to try with the clean button.
So just wanted to verify. So if the water is at less than the minimum level, what will happen?
It won't work and it would possibly damage the machine.
Okay.
During this process, using the clean button, it has to wait for the water to refill, and that's just it. It
Is there any
doesn't
other thing
feel
that is
as
working?
efficient. Nothing else is working. It's not as efficient as using the cappuccino method with water.
Okay.
That's why I
So
don't
another
use
thing,
that button.
aside from this cleaning, is there any other way to clean the machine or to maintain the machine?
To clean the machine now, these parts, these containers here and here for milk and water, you wash them,
Okay.
but don't touch the tops. For the tops, you just wipe them with a wet foam,
Okay.
not too much water.
Okay, I'm talking about the stops now.
Yes. And that's all. Wipe down the machine when you need to.
What of the under of the top?
The bottom.
Yeah.
Now, sometimes, sometimes when you take out the porta filter. So, sorry. So in this situation now, you check. Sometimes there's coffee on top of this place, so you wipe it.
Mm-hmm. What does
Just,
this? Okay. This key signs it means lock and open. Yeah.
hmm
Okay.
I mentioned that earlier.
All right.